In this video, we're going to talk about a basic ascending and descending thirds exercise or warm-up that you can use. It's one that can be played across any key, any mode, any scale, but we're going to apply this to a major scale to start. So first off, ascending just means going up, descending means coming down, and thirds refers to the interval between the notes. So an interval is just the distance between this note. So for example, C, D, E, if we counted 1, 2, 3, C is 1, E is 3, the distance between those is a third. Later on, we can talk about major thirds and minor thirds, but for now, just know that that's a third. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find the third starting on C and E, and then we're going to move both notes up, D and F, then the next two notes, E and G, F and A, G, B, A, C, B, D, C. Once you have that, then we're going to stagger the notes, so it'll look like this. And notice the amounts are coming up each time after we play the note. And then from there, we can connect the notes all together. Once you can string those notes together, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add some timing and hand turnaround pieces that we're going to add. So the first one right there is going to be A, C, B, D, and then C, 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 which looks like this. I'm starting those 16th notes with my left hand. Once more. So now we're going to continue out of those 16th notes back into the original pattern. Once you're able to do that, then we're going to put those two pieces together. So we're going to play the ascending thirds in the first octave, insert the middle 16th notes, and then continue on into the second octave. And right there we added another set of 16th notes at the top, but the difference on the second time is that you're going to start those 16th notes with your right hand. So the second time it'll look like this, starting on the A again. So there's a double right going from right, right. Two rights in a row. So let's start from the beginning once more, and we're going to add both sets of 16th note turnarounds in now. Starting from there, we're going to descend with the same third pattern, but let's take it back to the same way we started before. So start with C and A, B and G, A and F, G and E, F and D, E and C. Then we'll stagger them. And then we'll connect them. And you guessed it right there, we're going to insert a set of 16th notes as well. So coming out of that top turnaround into the middle turnaround, we're going to start on A and C going up, and then we'll stop where we just stopped. And if you've made it to there, you can basically play the rest of the exercise, because starting from those 16th notes, da 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 da, we'll just continue the pattern back down and finish with the final 16th note pattern at the bottom. So let's play the second half now. We'll start from the A and C turnaround, and we'll string the entire descending portion together. So the whole thing all together, let's turn the metronome on. This is set at chord note equals 90 or eighth note at 180. So I'm going to use the accent as a chirp in the background. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So it sounds like a little bit of a backbeat drum set fill, right? Here we go from the beginning. 1, 2. So as we mentioned in the beginning of this video, you can apply this to any scale, major, minor, and beyond. And if you only have one octave available to you on your instrument, you can still do it with just one octave. So you would just go up and then do the right hand turnaround at the top. You're just getting familiar with how to move around the instrument in this basic thirds interval.